Sun salutation or Surya Namaskar is a gesture of showing gratitude or salutation to the sun. It is a sequence of 12 important yoga asanas which brings the body, breath, and mind together. These asanas relax the mind and at the same time improves the flexibility of the spine. The forward bend asanas notably helps in increasing the abdomen space, by which it makes your hips more responsive and brings strength in legs. It improves the posture by stretching and strengthening the muscle joints and skeleton system. It also gives an excellent cardiovascular workout and helps one to lose weight. With each inhalation and exhalation, the lungs detoxifies and blood get oxygenated. Sun salutation helps in bringing down the blood sugar level and keep heart diseases away. It boosts the blood circulation of the body and gives healthy and glowing skin as well. Sun salutation asanas calms our mind and body.